United Kingdom.
London,
United Kingdom.
London,
France.
Paris,
France.
Paris,
Germany.
Berlin,
Germany.
Berlin,
Italy.
Rome,
Italy.
Rome,
Spain.
Madrid,
Spain.
Madrid,
Portugal.
Lisbon,
Portugal.
Lisbon,
Netherlands.
Amsterdam,
Netherlands.
Amsterdam,
Belgium.
Brussels,
Belgium.
Brussels,
Switzerland.
Bern,
Switzerland.
Bern,
Austria.
Vienna,
Austria.
Vienna,
Poland.
Warsaw,
Poland.
Warsaw,
Greece.
Athens,
Greece.
Athens,
Turkey.
Ankara,
Turkey.
Ankara,
Russia.
Moscow,
Russia.
Moscow,
China.
Beijing,
China.
Beijing,
Japan.
Tokyo,
Japan.
Tokyo,
South Korea.
Seoul,
South Korea.
Seoul, Kuala Lumpur,
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur,
Philippines,
Manila,
Philippines,
Manila,
Australia,
Canberra,
Australia,
Canberra,
New Zealand,
Wellington,
New Zealand,
Wellington,
Canada,
Ottawa,
Canada,
Ottawa,
United States,
Washington, D.C.,
United States,
Washington, D.C.,
Mexico,
Mexico City,
Mexico,
Mexico City,
Brazil,
Brasilia,
Brazil,
Brasilia,
Argentina,
Buenos Aires,
Argentina,
Buenos Aires,
Chile,
Santiago,
Chile,
Santiago,
Colombia,
Bogotá,
Colombia,
Bogotá,
Peru,
Lima,
Peru,
Lima,
Egypt,
Cairo,
Egypt,
Cairo,
South Africa,
Pretoria,
South Africa,
Pretoria,
Nigeria,
Abuja,
Nigeria,
Abuja,
Kenya,
Nairobi,
Kenya,
Nairobi,
Saudi Arabia,
Riyadh,
Saudi Arabia.
Riyadh.
Great job! You have learned countries and their capitals in English. Watch again and repeat the names to practice your pronunciation. Try to remember each country and say its capital out loud. Learning geography vocabulary helps you in conversations. See you in the next lesson.